Now, secular spirituality is a more controversial term, right? Just in terms of the definition, it includes atheism, religious naturalism, existentialism, secular humanism, Marxism, emergentism, and scientism. And, Bill Mayer once quipped, atheism is a religion like abstinence is a sex position. And so certainly those who are hostile to religion of any kind would deny that their way of looking at things is a form of spirituality. But again, as I argue at length in The Presence of the Infinite, the book, the secular spirituality serves as a direct substitute for the way religion has functioned in other times and in other places. It creates a frame of reality, most often physicalism or some kind of version of those. It explains the meaning of life or the meaninglessness of life. It's a metaphysical reality frame, and there's no way that we may know these things in our hearts. We may have a conviction. We may have experience. But there's none of the people who ascribe to secular spirituality can say with any certainty that the universe is purely physical, right? That many of the tenets of secular spirituality are held as matters of faith, right? And they're held, in defense of what they see as perhaps the overreach of faith, religious faith.